Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone and may peace be upon us all. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. May we all be in good health and granted smoothness in every step we take. First and foremost, I would like to express my gratitude to Prof. Dedi Purwana as my first supervisor and Pak Suherdi as my second supervisor for their assistance and guidance throughout the preparation of this thesis seminar proposal. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Hairunisa Azahra, a student of the Office Administration Education Program with student ID 17096200024 from the Faculty of Economics at Jakarta State University. On this occasion, I would like to present my thesis proposal entitled The Influence of Flexible Working Arrangement on Job Performance Mediated by Work-Life Balance. I will present the background of my research issue. In a continuously evolving business landscapes, companies face increasingly complex challenges such as global competition, technological advancement, and change in market demands. Companies are beginning to formulate and implement new policies that support adaptation to this circumstance. Some companies strive to enhance their technological infrastructure to support remote work, while others adjust their business models by considering shift in consumer behavior and market dynamics. Focus of this change is on employee performance, which becomes the main spotlight in the company's effort to optimize human research. Ensuring that employees' performance is at an optimal level is crucial for companies to address this evolving challenge. Poor employees' performance within a company is a commonly encountered issue. Situmorang et 2021 suggests that low levels of performance indicates the company failures to develop employees according to its standard in achieve corporate goals. This could pose a serious threat to the company if performance is not improved promptly. The research object of this study is PT Andalan Utama Food Indo and PT Arta Utama Food Indo. As individual companies, they collaborate and are still part of the same group, namely member of Group AUF, which focus on selling ice cream product. Currently, competition in the ice cream distribution industry is becoming increasingly fierce with the presence of various competitors offering new product, facilities, and unique service. Therefore, high-quality human research are needed to improve performance and help the company achieve its goals. The company implements a flexible working arrangement policy, where this policy provides flexibility to employees so that they don't feel pressure and can complete tasks more effectively. However, based on direct interview with PT Andalan Utama Food Indo employees, it is stated that in practice, the flexible working arrangement system can sometimes exacerbate work-life conflicts, especially in the logistic division. They have to complete their tasks on the same day, even if it exceeds the operational hours limit. From the pre-research table above regarding employee performance, it is evidence that the performance of employees is still relatively low. This is apparent from the percentage in the dimension of work quality, which show that 50% of employees don't feel that their work results are better compared to their peers. Additionally, in the dimension of timeliness, 70% of employees are still late in completing their tasks 3 times a month. Similarly, in the initiative dimension, the pre-research results indicate that 80% of employees are unwilling to complete other tasks even if there is still ample time, and 60% of employees like the initiative to overhelp to co-workers when they are busy, while 60% of the employees are unable to present their idea in front of others. Therefore, the company must be able to effectively enhance the performance of its employees. To achieve improved performance, the company should also consider other factors that can influence performance. Another factors that can affect employee performance is work-life balance. Work-life balance is undoubtedly a primary concern for employees to have a better quality of life. According to Global Talent Trend in 2020, As many as 69% of HR professionals agree that work-life balance, or the balance between work and daily life, is a significant key factor in influence performance, with a company ability to provide a balance between professional and personal life ranking first in driving employee performance. Based on the background problem above, the problems can be formulated as follows. 1. Is there an influence of flexible working arrangement to job performance? And 2. Is there an influence of flexible working arrangement to work-life balance? Number 3. Is there an influence of work-life balance to job performance? And 4. Is there an influence of flexible working arrangement on job performance mediated by work-life balance? From the problems above, the research objectives are number 1, to determine the influence of flexible working arrangement on job performance. Number 2, to determine the influence of flexible working arrangement on work-life balance. Number 3, to determine the influence of work-life balance on job performance. Number 4, to determine the influence of flexible working arrangement on job performance mediated by work-life balance. Expected benefit of this research theoretically are to enhance insight and knowledge in the field of human resource management, particularly regarding flexible working arrangement, work-life balance, and job performance among employees. And in practically, for researcher, it adds to breadth of critical thinking and knowledge, providing a platform for the application of acquired knowledge. For State University of Jakarta, to add information and knowledge to the academic community and add reference to the library treasury. And for companies, to as input in developing competence and improving company quality. Theoretical review on job performance. Definition of job performance is the work result achieved from a person's ability complete their responsibilities in accordance with organizational goals that can be achieved optimally. And indicator, according to Robbins, Mangkunegara, and Gomez, indicators job performance is quality. Quality is employee work quality can be measured by employees' perception of the quality of work produced based on their skill and abilities. Number 2, quantity. Quantity can be measured by the amount produced and expressed in terms of the number of units completed. Number 3, timelines. Timelines can be observed from the coordination with output result and the utilization of times for other activities. Number 4, initiative. Employee initiative refers to the earnestness of employees in taking responsibility, initiating action, and having the motivation to start tasks without being prompted by others. And number 5, cooperation. So, factors affecting job performance can originate from both internal and external sources. Internal factors including motivation, skills, and individual competence. Meanwhile, external factors encompass organizational work policies, working methods, wage, facilities, and the work environment. Next, flexible working arrangements. Definition of flexible working arrangement is an organizational policy that provides employees with the freedom to determine and choose the form of flexibility they have in their work. The dimension of flexible working arrangements is divided into two. Number 1, time flexibility and location flexibility. In time flexibility, the company provides flexibility for employees to choose active working hours outside the design working hours set by the company with the company's approval. In terms of location flexibility, the company provides flexibility for employees to choose their work location, whether inside or outside the office. They can also work or meet clients from different locations. The indicator of flexible working arrangements in the study adapted from Carlson and Posenrit et al. Theory include time flexibility, timing flexibility, and place flexibility. In the time flexibility indicator, employees are able to adjust their working hours according to specific situation, including determining their start and end times. Timing flexibility refers to employees' ability to choose their work schedule, while Workplace flexibility allows employees to work from various locations that enable them to perform tasks effectively. Next, work-life balance. Definition of work-life balance is a balance in a person's life where they don't forget their duties and obligations at work without having to ignore all aspects of their life. The indicators of work-life balance used in this study are adapted from McDonald and Greenhouse, which include time balance. Time balance refers to the equivalent amount of time allocated to work and family roles. Number 2, involvement balance represents the level of psychological involvement in work and family roles. Number 3, satisfaction balance 2 indicates the level of satisfaction with work and family roles. Each component of work-life balance can reflect either positive or negative balance depending on the level of time, involvement, or satisfaction, whether high or low. And the factors influencing work-life balance are divided into two categories: internal and external factors. External factors can originate from various aspects such as family, social environment, organization, and other factors including age, gender, parental status, experience, employee level, job type, and income. Next, prior research, as seen here, includes several studies, one of which is conducted by Farha with the title The Influence of Flexible Working Arrangement and Job Satisfaction on the Performance of Employees. The conclusion is flexible working arrangement have positive influence on employee performance. So with a good flexible working arrangement, performance evaluation will also increase and vice versa. In addition, there is HADA with the title Flexible Working Arrangement and Their Impact on Work-Life Balance Among Online Shop Reseller, and there is Rivaldi Wibowo with the title The Influence of Work-Life Balance on Performance of Employees, and there is Gunawan and Francisca with title The Influence of Flexible Working Arrangement on Employee Performance with Work-Life Balance as a Mediating Variable. So, the research finding indicates that work-life balance proved to be a significant mediating variable in the relationship between flexible working arrangement and employee performance. Next, theoretical framework at flexible working arrangement on job performance. Research conducted by Vanda and Slamet indicates that by having flexibility in working hours, employees can focus more on carrying out their tasks so they can fulfill their roles as worker more effectively. Another research conducted by Samuel Adebayo Idowu found that flexible working arrangement positively influence employee performance. Flexible working arrangements are also preferred by employees from various background levels and genders and is considered one of the most desired benefits. So next, flexible working arrangement on work-life balance. The concept of flexible working arrangement aims to provide employees with freedom and control over their work schedule, enabling them to achieve a balance between work and personal life while enhancing productivity and job satisfaction. This is supported by research conducted by Nurlaini and Winarno, which found that the implementation of flexible working arrangement have a positive impact on employees' work-life balance. These findings are consistent with the result of research by HADA, which show the significant and positive effect of flexible working arrangement on work-life balance. Next, work-life balance on job performance. Similarly, and Hasi, as referenced in Witriani, have indicated that work-life balance is recognized as a key factor in enhancing employee productivity and overall organizational performance. This finding is corroborated by the research conducted by Badriato and Eksan, which found that work-life balance has a positive and significant impact on employee performance. Similarly, the study by Rivaldi and Wibowo demonstrate a statistically significant relationship between work-life balance and employee performance. Thus, this is crucial for organizations to prioritize work-life balance as part of their strategy to create a balanced and productive work environment for employees. Next, flexible working arrangement on job performance mediated by work-life balance. In a study conducted by Bagaskara, it was found that the influence of flexible working arrangement on employee performance has a significant impact. This research aimed to explore the direct and indirect effect of flexible working arrangement on employee performance through work-life balance as an intervening variable. The findings of this study provide insight into how flexibility in working hours can contribute to achieving a balance between work and personal life, ultimately positively influence employee performance. Next, research constellation, we can see that flexible working arrangement as independent variable and job performance as dependent variable and work-life balance as mediating variable. So this is have four hypotheses. So we can synthesize that the hypothesis of this research is that there is a positive and significant direct effect between flexible working arrangement to job performance. There is a positive and significant direct effect between flexible working arrangement to work-life balance. There is a positive and significant direct effect between work-life balance to job performance, and then there is a positive and significant indirect effect between flexible working arrangement to job performance through work-life balance. Next, research methods. The research utilized a quantitative approach employing survey methodology. The main population studied in this research comprises the employees of PT Andalan Utama Food Indo and PT Ata Utama Food Indo, totaling 140 employees. Sampling in this research is conducted using proportional random sampling, resulting in a sample size of 104 employees. Data collection in this research involved the use of questionnaire distributed to both superior and employees. Next, data analysis technique. The data analysis technique used to test this research is the partial least square or PLS methods. Previous research share similarities with these studies in terms of the number of variables and the presence of mediating variables, which is one of the reasons the researcher chose to use the PLS methods. In the PLS method, the analysis technique involved three stages: outer model analysis, inner model analysis, and hypothesis testing. In hypothesis testing, two stages are conducted: direct effect analysis and indirect effect analysis. So in conclusion, based on the analysis presented, it can be inferred that this research holds the potential to make a significant contribution to understanding the relationship among the variables under investigation. Through collaborative effort and dedication, it is hoped that this study will pave the way toward a deeper understanding in this field. Thank you for your attention and support. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.